Hello, once again, this is Dusty Wright with the Wright team, Keller Williams Realty St. George. And today I'm at a brand new house. We just finished up here. It's 2365 square feet, 4-bed, 2.5 bath. It has the 3-car garage. Hello, hello. That is photobomb me. The 3-car garage plus the RV garage. It is, the 2-car garage is 8 feet tall by 18 feet wide. It is 9 feet wide by 8 feet tall, about 22 feet deep. And then the RV garage is 12 feet wide by 14 feet tall and 50 feet deep. Go on in and take a look. All right, and then coming up here in the entryway, you have the 8-foot tall door. It's an iron door with the glass as well. All right, and then coming on in, you have the LVP flooring, and that carries throughout the majority of the home, actually. And then over here, there's a little coat closet with a bedroom up here. And LVP carries here. It has the encased windows, the 2x6 exterior walls, can lights, ceiling fans, walk-in closet. There's a light in there. And then coming on in here, you have your big open great room. It has the natural gas fireplace with the stone surround, a mixture of the white cabinets with the white oak, coffered ceiling with the beams, lots of can lights, ceiling fan. And then over here, you have your large kitchen here. It has a mixture of the white oak and the white cabinets, floor to ceiling cabinetry, pendant lights. Here's your refrigerator, has the double ovens over there with the microwave above. Right here you have your composite sink, just a single bowl. Drop-in cooktop. All the cabinets are soft closed drawers. And then into the pantry, it's a nice sized pantry here. The white with the quartz, and then the cabinets above. So this is a great little station for coffee makers and mixers and all that good stuff. And it still has a pretty good sized pantry from there. And these people are just moving in today from Washington State. And then over here, you have your dining nook. All these windows are encased. And then over here, you have your primary bedroom. It too has the coffered ceilings with the beams, encased windows. There is carpet in here. There's a better picture of the carpet, or video rather. And then I'll flip around, go on to the primary bathroom. It has the double vanities, the white cabinets, white quartz, black fixtures, 8 feet tall doors. The soaker tub here with the tile surrounding the Schluter, the walk-in tile shower with the glass enclosure. Nice niche there. The tile does go all the way to the ceiling. A couple hooks here, and then the large walk-in closet. And like I said, these folks are just moving in from Washington State, so I'm just getting this video before they come in. And we'll go take a look on the other side. It's a split plan, so that you have your primary suite on one side, the front kind of office bedroom up there, and then over here you have 2 more bedrooms. Has carpet, ceiling fan, lights, can lights, encased windows, lots of closets here in this hallway. And then there's another bathroom, full bathroom here with a double vanity, the 12 by 24 tiles, encased windows, walk-in shower, tub surround, tile, all the way to the ceiling, Schluter. And then there's another little closet right here, and then this is the 4th bedroom right here, and it too has the can lights, the closet, the ceiling fan, and the encased windows. Let's go take a look at the garage. All right, and then last but not least, we got to come down and to check out the garage. Before we do, you have your mud bench here with the hooks. You have your laundry room. It has the sink, the cabinets above, and then over here you have your recessed dryer vent, electrical, and then there is a half bath, powder bath right here. Here's a quick look at that. Let's go. And last but not least, here is the garage. As mentioned previously, it has the 18-foot wide by 8-foot tall door. This area here is about 23.5 feet deep. And then over here you have a 9-foot wide by 8 feet tall, and it's about 23 feet deep. And then you have your water heater here, and then the recirculation pump, and it is plumbed for a water softener. And then over here, in case you have any EVs or whatever, you've got the 220 there. And then last but not least, you got the big RV garage, which is 50 feet deep. It does have an additional 220 over here. We'll come all the way to the back of this baby so you can check it out. The RV door is 12 feet wide by 14 feet tall. And these folks from Washington State are just closed on this baby, so they're just moving in. So the doors are open and got the LiftMaster MyQ, but all in all, 2365 square feet, 4-bed, 2.5 bath, a 3-car garage plus an RV garage. And as of June 17th or so, 2024, this baby sold for $785. Thanks for watching. This is Dusty Wright with the Wright team, Keller Williams Realty St. George.